So how to make that zoom? I am not able to get it. That is the problem. So for you, it is not visible, huh? Hello?
It's visible, but
Too large.
yes, sir.
Then otherwise it will be, if it is this one.
It's visible, sir. Full.
Okay. Slideshow, that is that setups slideshow. 1 second, I'll check it out. Huh? Okay, that I'll see later. So now this semester elective, as you know that we are you have opted UID, user interface design. So your textbook is nothing but designing the user interface strategies for effective human computer interaction. So that is called the 5th edition. You have, this is the authors, Ben Schneiderman and Chetirain Plainsent. In collaboration with these two people, actually 4 authors are available in this textbook, and you have to take this textbook. So it is covering entire syllabus in this, and this is what the course objectives. So you know that course outcomes and course objectives. So course outcomes and course objectives. So course objectives is nothing but what is the objective to learn that particular subject. Course outcomes is nothing but at end of the semester, after finishing this subject, you will be able to do this course outcomes. That is what, that is the reason we'll be writing the course outcomes. So course outcomes is nothing but you will be able to learn, you will be able to do it after end of the semester. So course out objectives is nothing but what, these are all the objectives I will be learning, or we will be learning, or you will be learning. So once it is completed the subject, that is what the course outcomes. So course outcomes, so you can be able to do it this. For example, if you take UID, these are all the course outcomes we have written. First one is the use the new technology that provide the interactive devices and interfaces. So how you will be doing interaction or interactive with the system or anything in our life, and how you will be doing the interfaces. So many interfaces we'll be seeing with examples we'll be discussing later. So interaction, how it will be happening from one to another. That is what the CO1 course outcome. So CO2 course outcome 2 is nothing but discuss the commands, natural languages and issues in design for manipulation of the quality of the service. So quality of the services here is nothing but we need to enter some of the commands for the interaction purpose, or some of the languages you need to use it. So how you will be designing, how you will be manipulating, how you will be interacting for good quality of services. So that is what the second course outcomes. For example, quality of services is nothing but nowadays we are seeing many examples you can see. That's what I'll be telling in the first chapter. For example, if you take Amazon, Facebook, so how the interactions will be happening. So that's what we'll see with an examples later stages. So here is nothing but discuss some of the, we need to discuss some of the commands for the interaction purpose. That much is sufficient for us now at the beginning stage. So natural languages, so you need to use some of the languages to interaction purpose, giving the link between UID and issues in design for maintaining the quality of services. So at end of the your business, we need to maintain quality of service, then only we can be able to do it. So that is what we need to do it. So third one is persuade user documentation and information search. So what is the persuade? So here this meaning is nothing but, so what will happen, suppose if you're purchasing some of the grocery items. So if you go to shop, normal shop, what you will do it? So before going there, what normally we'll do it, we'll write it. So I need dal this much, soaps is this much, sugar or rice or weight or whatever it may be. So whatever it is required, grocery items, we'll write it and go. We'll tell to the shop person, he will give it, and we'll take that items, will come to the home. Suppose if you go to the bigger shops, what will happen? So like for example, Big Bazaar, if you go there, what will happen? So sometimes not required for us, but by seeing that, it will tempt it and it will take it, isn't it? Correct? No. So that is what the first meaning for that one. So that is what they written the user documentation and information set. So if you go for the online also same thing. Suppose if I want to buy one mobile, so we'll see it mobile. So many advertisements will be coming side or up or down or whatever it may be when you are searching. So sometimes what will happen, even though we are not interested to buy, by seeing that, maybe they'll give offers, or maybe rate is tempting us, or maybe color is tempting us, or maybe item is tempting us to buy it. So they will make us to buy the items such a way that they will prepare the documentation and information search. So when your information search, for example, when I want to buy the mobile, or I want to buy the shirt or pant, whatever it may be, when I'm searching that, the documentation, not only that, you will be getting other items also. You might have seen better than me, you may be knowing, you are doing all, many people online purchasing all these things. So you'll come to know all these things. So here is that is what the pursued user documentation and information search. So here is nothing but what they will make us to buy it. So that is what the third one. Sahadev?
Yes, sir.
Any disturbances?
No, sir.
No, it is
Everything
going
is
right.
good, sir.
So right. So that is what the third point. So are you able to understand why I'm saying is the course outcomes is this is what we'll be learning entire subject. So end of the semester or end of the subject. So once you complete end of the semester, we should know all these things. So next one is, this is what the third one. Third one only major things will be there in our subject. So fourth one is nothing but apply the process and evaluate user interface design. So we need to apply the process and you can evaluate user interface design. How you will be evaluating all these things. So not only by learning this, even you can be able to do it. That is what the apply any subject. So apply, for example, if you take analysis and design of algorithm, what will happen? We have learned so many algorithms. Suppose if they give any new problems also, so we can be able to write the algorithm. So here also same thing. You can apply the above process. You can evaluate the user interface design. That means what? So fourth one and fifth one course outcomes is nothing but based on assignments, and another one is called the innovative and case study questions. So these two will be covering these two. So fifth one is nothing but analyze direct manipulation and virtual environment. So virtual environment, nowadays no need to say what is happening now. So everybody is experienced, even you are using virtual classes or online classes or whatever it may be. So analyze the direct manipulations and virtual. So nowadays Amazon, if you take mobile, nowadays majority people are buying through online only. So not only mobiles, even dresses, some of the people home items, home appliances. So before all these things, what we used to do, we used to go to the shops, we used to search, and one or two shops we used to inquire the comparisons of the rates or whatever it may be, quality or whatever it may be. Then we used to buy it. But nowadays what is happening? Everything sitting at home, we can be able to do it, all those things. So this is what we'll be doing in UID. So UID is nothing but these are all the 5 course outcomes. End of the subject or end of the semester, you should be able to do it, or you should or might have learned. These are all the course outcomes. So use the new technologies that provide the interactive devices and interfaces. So new technology, using in the new technology, user interface can be developed. That means what? This one is nothing but overall maintaining the Facebook or Amazon services or whatever it may be, online Twitter or whatever it examples if you take it. So maybe they might have done it the previously, but keep on changing. Maybe when the new technology comes, they can be able to interact with, or they can be able to display in front of us more efficiently, or more advertisement, or more whatever it discount, whatever it may be. They can do it. They can interact easily using the new technologies. That is what they use, the new technologies that provides the interactive devices and interfaces. So how you can do the interaction and interfaces, how can we do it? So interaction is nothing but we are doing, interfaces is nothing but they will be doing. So for example, if you take Facebook, what will happen? So interactions and all, person to person we are doing. So interfaces and all they will be doing. So using the new technology, what is behind everyday updations, what is happening, sometimes we may not be knowing also, but overall developing, they can do all those things. That is what the new technologies that provides the interaction devices and interfaces. That is what the first one. Second one is discuss the commands and natural languages and issues in design for maintain the quality of services. So you need to use either commands or natural languages, whatever it may be. So you can use which one is convenient for you. That so for searching purpose, whatever you are doing, so they will be developing. Sometimes they will use the Unix commands, or sometimes they will be using select commands, or sometimes they will be using programming. So they can do interaction purpose, user interface designing purpose. They can use anything, and that can be developed for quality of services. That is what the second one. So this is nothing but the persuade is nothing but, so here is, this is nothing but the, it will tempt us to buy it. That is what the meaning for that one. User documentation and information such. So they will do such a way that when you are searching one information, you will be getting the remaining advertisements also, such a way that they will be developing. So they will tempt us to buy some other things also through online. Even if it is offline, if you are going, what will happen there? So big bazaar if you go, or many big shops if you are going, Reliance or whatever it may be. So they will tempt us because it is displaying all those things. Once you are moving from one end to another end, so there what will happen? So sometimes it is not there in our mind to buy it also, but it will tempt us, then we'll buy it. That is what the, so that is what the third one. So apply the process and evaluate the user interfaces. Even end of the this subject, you can be able to develop for your business models also. Next is you can analyze direct manipulations and virtual environment. So you can analyze what's happening, so which business is best, all these things. So you can get the data. That is what nowadays everybody is speaking about the data. So all these things, you can take the data, what's happening there, you can analyze it, and you can go according to the your own business or whatever it may be. So that is what they, how not only business type, even how they will be doing the interactions and manipulations, all these things. Suppose they are going for, they'll give 1%, some other company if they give 2%. So all these things, manipulations, direct manipulations, virtual, all these things, they should be able to do it whenever it is required. All these things they have to do it. That is what the course outcomes for the user interface design, UID. So now we'll go for the evaluation process. So evaluation process, you know that two things you are supposed to do it. One is called the internal examinations, and another one is called the external examination. So internal marks evaluation is 40 marks, and external examination 100 marks they will be conducting, and it will be converted to 60 marks, together 100 marks. So weightage is for internal marks is 40%, and external is 60% weightage. So now, as you know that first what internal assessment will be calculating is 20% for the direct test. From the test will be taking 3 tests will be conducting. So either average of 2 or best of 2, that will see it later. So next one is another 20 marks is nothing but you have the classroom, open book assignments or quizzes or any other quiz or MCQs or whatever it may be. So this is what the another 20 marks based on the teachers, based on the students. So it will vary subject to subject. So here is, so there is no programming part here. So we'll be discussing directly open-ended questions and assignments and quizzes. These three will be conducting for 20 marks, and 20 marks for directly from the test will be taking. So semester and examinations is nothing but, so standard examination covering full syllabus, 5 units will be there. So question paper pattern, you know, every unit two questions will be given, either type. So either you have to answer first question or second question from the first unit one. The similarly second unit, third unit, fourth and fifth. So 10 questions they will be giving, each unit 2 questions. You are supposed to write each unit one question. So you cannot leave any unit entire thing. So you have to study as it is. So course outcomes for NAC NBA purpose, NBA National Board of Accreditation purpose, we have to link to the POs program. Everywhere we have displayed it. So whenever you are print out, you are taking lab manual also. There also we have done it. So walls we have displayed it. So we'll be connecting to the POs. Then we'll attain from that. So that is what we have. One is called the direct assessment, another one is called indirect assessment. So direct assessment is nothing but directly whatever you are performing, either internal marks and external marks. Indirect assessment also will be there after completing your degree. Will be considering after 2 to 3 years what you will be. So we have written vision mission. So whether that mission it is reaching or not. So that is what the direct indirect assessment. Finally, National Board of Accreditation will be assessing for our college with respect to the department. So this is what the, with respect to NBA course outcomes and subject. So now we'll start the syllabus. So what's happening? So first one is nothing but the introduction. So here is maximum theory. We have to write theory maximum concepts. So 5 marks, how much you have to write, you should know that. So 10 marks, how much you have to write it, you should write it. So sometimes whether we are having interest or not, but we have to elaborate and we have to write it. For example, we should know how to enlarge the answers. So sir, only one line definition, have written it only one line definition. So we cannot say like that, we have to write it. For example, in professional communication and ethics, we'll say one example. I gave a pen to Sahadev, for example, we'll say. So for the same sentence, how to write it? I gave a pen when I was taking the class, ADA class, on date and time and whichever. And next sentence I will say, when you are wearing the blue shirt and jeans pant, and that day you were sitting on the second bench along with so and so, along with Amit Kumar. So that day it was raining, it was cloudy. So like this, I gave a pen is one sentence. So how you are elaborating? So in that it is included when I gave, by what time I gave, what was the weather, how much, what type of dress you are using, all these things. The similar fashion you should be able to improve your communication skills, and you should be able to write the answers. But before going for examination, we'll remember the key points. Once you know the key points, you should be able to drag the sentences based on the marks. That's what you need to do it here. So don't write small 1-line answers, 2-line answers. I'm requesting you. So this is the way of elaborating your answers. So we should know key points should be remembered. That key points, how to write it. So for example, I told you, one example. So you can take one Amazon example, or Facebook or Twitter. So based on that, how it will be searching all these things, I told you, one CO purpose. Similarly, in subject also, we should be able to write like that. Then only we'll get good marks. So because this is the theory subject. Mathematical subject, like last semester, before semester I took ADA, there no problem. So problem is there, answers. So directly we'll solve that. Maybe it will come sometimes half page or 1/4 page or 3/4 page or 1 page or sometimes 2 pages also. That is, doesn't matter. So question, answers. Programming is different. Sometimes programming will write 5 lines, one person, some person will write 20 lines. But which is the correct? So that's what it is happening. Their code should be reduced. Then only your program is efficient. But when you come to the theory, you should develop how to write the sentences. That is what we need to do it. So here is the first chapter we'll be having. This is the syllabus in first unit. So this is, it is covering 50%, 70% of the first unit. So introduction, book overview, usability requirements, goals for requirement analysis, usability measures, usability motivations, how we'll be motivating that. Next, universal usability, and last one is goals for our profession. So what is the goals for the our profession? So that is the splitting the items. So here is, so first introduction, second one is where and all we are using, we'll be seeing all these things. Next one is goals for the requirement analysis. So we should do it the requirement analysis also. So whenever you are doing, so what is the requirement analysis? For example, before coming for MCA program, even you might have thought is, once if I join, what I should do. So what is my destination? That means what? When if I choose MCA program, I'll get a good job in IT industry, then my life will be, I can enjoy another 30 to 40 years. So that is what the intention, that is what the analyze. So if IT companies, if it is not providing the jobs, even many people will not opt for the MCA program or computer science and engineering or whatever it may be. So that is what we need to analyze all those things. That is what the goals for the requirement of analysis. Even business person also the same thing. So every time they have to keep on changing. So now even our education system itself also, you can see the example. So previously all were using blackboard, they used to write it. Nowadays now they've changed it. So somebody will be using PPT, somebody will be using smart boards, or somebody will be using other techniques, all these things. So whatever the way of understanding, we should be able to, teacher has to take care, that way teacher has to tell it. Now business point of also same thing, the interactions or giving the link between front end to back end or whatever it may be, they should be smart enough, keep on changing the items. That is what the goals, next goals for the requirement analysis. So usability, we'll see in detail later. So this is what the measures, what all the measures will be taken, what all the motivations will be taken care, and universal usability, what is the, how it is they are using the usabilities, and goals for our profession. See, not only examples for Amazon, what is that called? Facebook or Twitter, whatever. Even you can take hotels examples also. So even when they are starting, they should analyze that how they can give the user interface in between. So customers will be coming one end. So how they have to maintain. So with respect to hygienic, with respect to power, with respect to space, with respect to ventilation, all these things they have to take it. So 30 years back, maybe hotel is different. Now the hotels are different. So the similarly, they should keep on changing UIDs. That is what the user interface designing it is happening here. So now we'll move to the next slide. This is what the introduction, what we have to learn the introductions. So what are all the ramifications? So the examples are the success stories. We can see the examples. So already they have given. So Microsoft. So whatever the operating system they have done, they have succeeded already. That is also one example. And Unix especially, huge tools are available, free tools, especially for the students and working learning working people and working professionals also. It is very helpful for us because many tools are there, no need to buy it. So directly we can download the Unix operating system, we can upload it, and we can, whatever the tools is required for you, you can use that one and you can execute your programs. So they're all already, they have succeeded in the business. So that is what the success stories, some of the examples. So Microsoft people, you can say that in our relevant field, Linux, Amazon, Google, especially Google is major role for us. Even if the teacher gives assignment, what student will be doing? Directly same question will be typing whether I am getting the answer or not. Then if you are not getting, then we'll go for the textbook. Then we'll go for the previous examples, how teacher has solved the particular problem, then how to solve these problems. So if you are getting the ready-made answer, you will not search for the remaining things. That is what is happening. But Santosh,
Yes, sir. Yes,
are you
sir.
able to follow?
Yes, sir.
Sahadev,
Yes, sir.
Naina, see, what are all the
Yes,
visible
sir.
names I'm asking you? So it is for all. So if anybody is having doubt, you please post the message so that I can tell you that one. Or end of the class, if you say also, I will tell you. No problem. So that is what it should be interactive, not only one side. So that is what the success stories. We know that in our relevant field only, we are saying the examples here. So what is that called? Amazon, Linux server, Microsoft, and Google. So these are all the most business it is going on. This is the success already they have succeeded. Next, competitions. So nowadays competition also we can see the examples. When you are doing any business, automatically competition will be there. There is no way without competition. So you take our own engineering colleges itself. So you will search before joining what is the rating for that college, whether placement is available or not, whether the teachers are good or not, whether the facilities are available or not, whether the systems are available or not, whether the library is available or not, whether you can be able to access it easily or not. All these things you will be searching before joining. So the here also the competition. Engineering colleges owners, they're having the competition. So if they're not providing basic requirement or facilities for the students, then students will not be opting. That is what here also with respect to our own field. So internet Firefox and Internet Explorer. So these two people are having more competition. Even you can say Mozilla. So Google, this one. So all these things, heavy competitions are available. So once you coming into the this one business, once you enter it, copyrights also important. So once you do, so nowadays browsers also, many browsers are there. Anybody develops any new browser, what will happen? They have to take the copyrights. Then they'll be then they can sell for that, and they'll be earning the amount. So that is what copyright. So any business. So these are all the success business people. Even Reliance you can take. So they have started from small business, then now he is the richest person. So all these things is motivation for us. So that is what we have whenever we are entering into the any field. So we have to see all those things also. So these were the success stories. Another one is called the competition. All these things copyrights. So why we have to do it the copyrights? So here is Apple versus Microsoft example. You can take one example and you can tell it, but here we have taken the different examples. That's it, just to understanding purpose. That's it. So you take Apple versus Microsoft Windows only. So copyrights they have taken, and Napster versus the music industries. So all these things copyrights they have taken. So copyrights also important. So once if anybody find the new one, for example, if you take now COVID, so which country find first the medicine for that, they will be the richest persons. So if they supply for entire world, they will be doing. That is what the copyrights. So whatever they are doing, that copyrights is important. Other cannot copy it, other cannot do that one, either medicines or tablets or whatever it may be. So that is what the copyrights. Even if they find any algorithms, so nowadays we are learning some sorting techniques. If you take selection sort, bubble sort, quick sort, so some of the people they have done it. This is the technique based on the time complexities. They have told it this is what the advantages and disadvantages. So here also copyrights is most important whenever you are doing the business. So somebody cannot, suppose you have one name, for example, if you take Amazon only. So with that brand name only, if somebody sell it the unauthorized items, so what will happen? These people will be under trouble. So that is the reason all these things legally they have to go. All these things, copyrights, all these things. So they should follow that one. So mergers. So Time Warner. So next one is corporate takeovers. So corporate takeovers also, it is there like IBM series error of Lotus. So this is what they have taken from the IBM. So next one is privacy and security issues. So everywhere this privacy and security issues are there, so that they have to take care of the privacy and security. So privacy is also is important for the customers. So identification theft. So in this case, privacy and security. For example, if you buy through online one item, so that is somebody should be there to take care to delivery to the customer. So otherwise, what will happen? Customer will be the loser. Next time onwards, nobody will do online business. So even if you go to shop, so we'll tell you all the items they will put together and they will put it into the box or put it into the some items and they will give it to us. So we are believing so that they should maintain that one. Privacy and security is also important. So identification of the theft. Suppose if they are sending Amazon, let us say that Hyderabad, Bangalore is the center. So we are in village. Suppose if you take it, so when they are sending from Bangalore to village, so they have to take care, even if it is going in between where it is happening. So now best example I'll tell you, post office. If you get government post office, if you send it one item nowadays with that reference number till delivery, you can find out where it is. So from post office to head office to next, whether it is delivered or. So all these things, security also. So everybody they have to maintain. Then only we'll believe that and we'll do it. So nowadays even courier, so fly, all these things are security issues. So they have to take care. So what they should give respect to customers. So that is what the privacy and security is. Identification theft, medical information, so virus. So here is with respect to our field. So virus also is important. Suppose if I am sending one message through mail, let us assume that not only postal. So if I sending one message or one important messages, one person to another person. So there also they have to take care security, all the issues, even virus also. When they're opening, destination should be able to do it. So in between cryptography, network security, all these things they have to take care. So that is called that is the reason they have mentioned here. Privacy and security issues is nothing but they should be able to find out the identification of the theft. So even in between, suppose if I'm sending one important message to somebody, so in between if it is happened something, so they should be able to find out the who has done it. So they have to take the actions against them, then other people will be alert. So they will not be doing any theft for the informations. So nowadays we are seeing, so big politician people, big businessman people and all, they're hacking their Twitter account or Facebook account, so our bank account. So all these things we are seeing. Even so, if you give complaint, so somebody should be there to take care of all those things. So that is what the identification of the theft, that is most important in this field. So in professional, so medical informations, virus, spam, national security, all these things we need to follow. So because when we are in the nation, national security also should be followed. So that is what the second one, introduction. Still we have many things, we can say the examples. So individual user level, suppose if you go for individual, there entire we have considered. In this case, individual, if you go for this, what will happen? So if you go for individual, so first one is called the routine the processes. So routine the process is nothing but when you are doing the routine the process, so we need to follow the tax return preparations. So all these things we have to do it when you are doing business. So when we are in the nation, and even we should contribute to the nation also. So these taxes, information, taxes and all, they will collect it. Again, they will develop the nation. So that is what the tax return preparation. So this is the routine processes in this one. So next is the decision support. So decision support is also important. A doctor diagnoses and the treatment. So decision support, for example, if you go take the doctor, so suppose if I'm one person says the stomach pain, so maybe sometimes gastric trouble or sometimes some other problems, sometimes they'll give tablet or gastric tablets, they'll give it, it will go up. Sometimes maybe operations, all these things, doctor diagnostics and treatments. Next is another examples. If you go for another one is education and training. So education and training is encyclopedias and drill and practice exercises and simulations. Yeah, somebody saying something? Hello, are you able to hear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, right. Next, another one is the music and sports informations. These are all the examples. Already we have discussed enough things, and some of the just I'll read it. This one, user generate contest. So that is nothing but the social networking. So websites, photo and video share the sites, user communities. So this one maximum we have to consider with respect to our field. So this is nothing but social networking. So we are seeing maximum social network. That one only it is more effective nowadays. Social networking. So websites, that is also most important. So nowadays by seeing websites we get the information. Nowadays now students only can see vtu.ac.in. So what's happening, what decisions they are taking. So no need to depend on the colleges. You can find out the information directly there itself, and you can take the decisions according to that. So photos and video share sites. So photos and video share, so many item, many social medias are available. You can take the best example for of LinkedIn or Facebook. All these things are, you can share the photos, you can share the videos, all these things are there. So the securities is nothing but we are believing them and we are sharing. So sometimes we are with respect to our friends only, sometimes every public can see all these things. So that is what the second one. And user communities. Next one is the internet, enable the devices and communications. So internet also enable the devices and communication. Without internet we cannot do anything. So nowadays, so important thing is internet. So now without food we can stay 1 day or half day or quarter day, but without mobile, without internet, we cannot live. Isn't it correct? No, what, Naina? Without
Sir.
mobile it is very difficult to live now, including
Yes,
kids,
sir.
especially when online started for the kids also. So it is most important, internet, mobile. So without that it is very difficult. Internet is required. If we have systems we can use that also. Otherwise through mobile we can use the internet and we can go ahead in our life. That is what the second one. These are also some of the examples for the introduction. So business use. So business use is nothing but what? You should have the financial planning and publishing applications, all these things. So financial planning also important. So when you are giving advertisement for the items, so either you can be able to offer 5% discount or 2% discount or 10% discount. Any person cannot give all 100% or 90% discount for the particular items. Then they have to close the business. That's it. So they have to, financial planning also most important. So that is what the publishing the applications, all those things. Before publishing, they should keep in this mind and they have to do it. Next is industries and professionals. So industries and professionals is nothing but, so you have the web resources for the journals and career opportunities, all these things. So we can find out nowadays career opportunities also through media or through websites or through print media or whatever it may be. If you have system, if you have internet, you can find out all those things. So earlier days, what happened? We used to see the newspapers, we used to apply for the jobs. Now that trend has gone. So everything is because of the UID only. So next one is globalization. So why we are stressing for the user interface is nothing but what happened. Every updates they have to do it. For example, newspaper, if you see it, what will happen? Morning, if you see, one message will be there, one news will be there. After 1 hour, again highlight the news. So some of the other things. So that means what? They should be able to update it. User interface design. That's what it is happening in that one. So what happen is, if it is static, if you develop one web page, what will happen? That will only permanent. So if you are not able to user interface, it is not possible for that. Suppose if you create exe files, what will happen? We cannot do anything. So updations cannot be possible, improvement is not possible, whoever it may be, when you are in a business field, you should be able to change whenever it is required, whatever it is required. According to that, we should be able to go. Otherwise, business cannot be improved. So with respect to our field, also the same thing. That is what that one. So next one is the globalization, languages and culture. So next one is, you can you able to see the, I'll make it the bigger one, just to see this slideshow. I'll make it. So can you able to see this? Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So one should respond. So leftmost from your hand. So what are you saying? What is there in that? Can you able to see start?
Start is visible, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, start is visible. That means what? When you system. So when you using mouse, you can click. If you are clicking that, that one will be coming. So what all the applications are available? All these things. That is one. Now come to the rightmost corner, top. What is there in that? What you call that one? Sahadev, one can
Don't know,
respond.
sir.
You
Don't know, sir. What is this? It is console,
some commands.
but yeah.
So can you able to, that one is called that? Can you identify that is called commands? May not be visible. That is called commands. Correct now? Sahadev.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is called the rightmost is nothing but the rightmost top corner is commands. Leftmost is nothing but the some menu came. So start is visible. So remaining data, don't worry. This is just for understanding purpose. That's it. So second one is now come to the, after these two, next window. What is happening? What you can able to see there? Facebook.
Facebook.
Facebook, correct. No, this is called one information. Now once you still come down, what is this? Sign out, Yahoo, Yahoo. So web, this is called one more window. And down you have many things. Down calendar is there, Mozilla is there, isn't it? Some of the music item is there. Down, can you able to see all those things? Calendar 21 date, Mozilla.
Yes,
Huh? Next one is
Yes, sir.
music,
Music,
dustbin, no.
Opera
All
Mini,
these things.
email.
See, at a time you can be able to see how many things. That is what all these things, they made it like that. So somebody is there, they've written the code such a way that programming, they've written UID. That is what the user interfaces. So user interfaces, this is what is happening. So some of the times, suppose if I go to Facebook, what will happen? Suppose I want to find out one of my friend. I know only his name. Maybe 10 years back or 15 years back. Since 10 years, there is no contact. Just I'll type that name. If it is available, that names comes. So based on that, his personal information, I can be able to find out that. For example, Sahadev, only you take the example. Many Sahadevs will come. So I will find out who has studied from the BMS side. I can be able to find out. So another one, mail purpose also. So just mail. So when you are developing for company purpose, just one username and one password, you will create it for that one. Here also one username and one password. Suppose if you say that one, but how many advertisements are there? Facebook, you see, left something displaying, down is displaying, all these things, many things will be displaying. But you are seeing only one information, but it is displaying many things. So that is what that is the reason we are not paying anything for to the companies. So still we are able to enjoy. So they are getting remuneration based on the advertisements. So all these things will be happening. So that is what the UID. UID. So this is what the one example. Another example, I'll make it this one also bigger one. See here. So here also many windows are available. Like start, and here some of the galleries are available, photos, and here you have searched something, many eyes. So like a Google map. So some of the places are visible, and here some of the one more window open something, and here also Google map, some of the icons is displaying photos, all these things. So this is what the new look and feel of the computers Vista. So this is what one example, and this is what the another examples for the introduction. So now this is what really need for us. So introduction for concluded, and smaller devices doing more things. So with small mobile, whatever we have seen the previously, so can you able to do all those things in this?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So we can do it in mobile itself, even though small window. So multiple windows we can open, multiple operations we can do it. So whatever we have shown there, either Facebook or mail or window, whatever it may be, many multiple windows, everything we can see it in small window also. So this is what the user interface design. Next onwards, we'll be seeing the remaining things. So now today I will stop from here. So please tell me, do you have any doubts? What is UID? What will be going to study in our syllabus? Any doubts?
No, sir.
Yeah. So everybody has entered the in message box. Message box. Whoever not entered your register number in message box, please enter it. So that one only will be considered as attendance. Okay. So once you enter your register number, that message box, I'll get the mail through my mail. So we recorded video and your register numbers, I'll get 2 files separately. So based on this only, we'll be putting the attendance. Suppose if anybody is not entered today's your register number in the chat box, please enter it once again. I'm telling you. Okay. Entered all of you. Varsha, Surya Prakash.
Yes, sir. I have entered.
Entered. Where is Surya Prakash? How are you?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
I'm watching, sir.
Yeah, 1 second. I will stop the record, then we'll talk.
Okay, sir.